a moment to observe the space around you, the layout of your room, the organization of your kitchen shelves, or even the app you are using to watch this video. Each started as a problem waiting to be solved. But how do these everyday challenges turn into thoughtful, user-focused solutions? That's where Design Sprint comes in. Welcome to yet another video from Simplilearn, where we will discuss about the design sprint in UI/UX. So in this video, we will cover what a design sprint is, the 5 phases of design sprint, how to plan a design sprint, the benefits of design sprint, and the design sprint retrospective. But before we get into it, if you are genuinely interested in launching a career in UI/UX design, the Caltech UI/UX Bootcamp by Simplilearn is the ideal program to get you started. This immersive course equips you with essential skills in user research, wireframing, prototyping, and usability testing. You'll gain hands-on experience with top design tools like Figma and Adobe XD while working on real-world projects that will build your portfolio. Learn from industry experts and Caltech's esteemed faculty and take the first step towards a successful career in UI/UX design by enrolling in this comprehensive bootcamp today. You can find the course link in the description box and pinned comments. So let's get started. So let's start with what exactly is a design sprint. So a design sprint is a focused 5-day process designed to address complex challenges by quickly designing, prototyping, and testing solutions. So it's like compressing months of work into a single efficient week, providing teams with actionable insights in record time. So for example, Airbnb used a design sprint to enhance their booking experience. So the team wanted to make it easier for users to find and book unique stays while ensuring hosts felt supported. So through the sprint, they produced a revamped search interface, tested it with users, and gained critical feedback that shaped the final product. So this not only improved the user experience, but also aligned the platform with their vision of creating seamless travel journeys. So why do we use a design sprint? So here's why sprints are a game changer. So number one, it saves time. So traditional product development cycles can take months with endless back and forth decisions, but a design sprint condenses this process into just 5 days. Next is it is user focused. So the sprint process centers around real user feedback. So by involving users early through testing, teams can identify what works and what doesn't, significantly reducing the risk of launching something users won't like. And then it is versatile. So design sprints aren't limited to tech companies. They're effective across industries. So in retail, teams have used sprints to redesign store layouts to enhance customer flow. In healthcare, sprints have been used to improve patient experiences by rethinking check-in processes or designing user-friendly telehealth apps. So by embracing design sprints, companies can innovate faster, focus on users' needs, and apply this methodology to nearly any industry challenge. So it's a recipe for efficient and impactful problem solving. So now as we clearly know what a design sprint is and why it is used, let's talk about the 5 phases of a design sprint. So basically, design sprints are divided into 5 phases. Each phase has a clear purpose and helps teams move step by step from understanding the problem to testing a solution. So let's explore each phase now. So the first phase focuses on understanding the problem. So the team gathers to discuss the challenge, define goals, and collect insights about users. So this phase involves brainstorming, reviewing user feedback, and hearing from experts to ensure everyone is on the same page. So teams also create a map to visualize the problem and identify the areas they need to focus on. So for example, imagine a grocery delivery app that's losing customers because users find it hard to navigate. So in this phase, the team studies user reviews, talks to the customer support team, and maps out the current app flow. So they identify that users struggle to find specific products and often abandon their carts. So this phase ensures the team has a clear understanding of the problem they are trying to solve before diving into solution. Now the second phase is sketch. So in this phase, each team member works individually to come up with possible solutions. So instead of group brainstorming, everyone sketches their own ideas, which helps avoid groupthink and ensures creative variety. So these sketches don't need to be detailed, they are just quick drawings to share initial thoughts. So for example, in the grocery app, one team member might sketch an improved search bar with smart suggestions, and another might propose a category-based navigation system. So someone else could suggest a feature to save frequently bought items for easy reordering. So this phase allows the team to explore multiple creative approaches and generate a pool of ideas. Now the next phase is decide. So once all ideas are on the table, the team reviews them together to pick the most promising solution. So they discuss the pros and cons of each idea and use methods like voting or dot stickers to reach a decision. So this phase also includes creating a storyboard, which is a step-by-step plan of how the solution will work. So for example, the team evaluates the sketches and decides to focus on the smart search bar and category-based navigation. In the example of a grocery app. So they create a storyboard showing how a user will search for items, add them to cart, and complete the checkout process. So by the end of this phase, the team has a clear idea of the solution they will prototype. Now let's move on to the next phase, which is prototype. So the prototype phase is about bringing the chosen idea to life in a quick and realistic way. So teams build a working model of the solution that looks and feels real but isn't fully functional. So tools like Figma, Sketch, or InVision are often used to create interactive prototypes. So for example of the grocery app, the team creates a clickable prototype of the new search bar and navigation system. So users can interact with the prototype to search for items, browse categories, and add products to their cart. So the prototype acts as a testable version of the solution, helping teams gather user feedback without spending months on development. And the last phase is the testing phase. So the final phase is all about testing the prototype with real users. So the team observes how users interact with the solution, takes notes on their behavior, and collects feedback. So this phase helps identify what works well and what needs improvement. So for example, the team invites like 5 users to try the new grocery app prototype. And they notice that users love the smart search bar but find the category navigation a bit confusing. So based on this feedback, the team tweaks the design before implementing it in the app. So by testing, it ensures that the solution is user-friendly and solves the problem effectively before it is fully developed. So by now, I hope you understood the importance of a design sprint and how it makes the development process easier. So now let's move on to how to plan a design sprint. So planning a design sprint is essential to ensure a smooth, productive, and focused process. So proper preparation helps the team tackle the problem effectively and make the most of the sprint week. So here's how to plan it step by step. Number one is research the problem. So before starting the sprint, conduct thorough research to understand the problem and identify user pain points. Collect data from user feedbacks, surveys, or usage analytics to ensure the problem being tackled is clear and meaningful. So this research acts as a guide for the team throughout the sprint. Next is call in experts. So during the sprint, especially in the understand phase, involve experts who can provide valuable insights. These could include stakeholders, team leads, or individuals with specific knowledge of the problem. So the input helps the team get a well-rounded perspective on the challenge, making it easier to define a clear solution. Next is set up the space. So a dedicated space for the sprint is crucial. Ensure the room is equipped with tools like whiteboards, markers, sticky notes, and other brainstorming essentials. So the environment should encourage creativity and collaboration. So keep the team comfortable with snacks, water, and a relaxed setup to maintain energy levels and focus. And the next step is to set clear rules. So establish rules to minimize distractions and ensure everyone remains engaged. So for example, prohibit the use of phones during work sessions to maintain focus and encourage respectful collaboration where all ideas are welcomed and ensure the team sticks to the schedule for each phase of the sprint. Clarity and discipline create an efficient and productive workflow. And finally, define teams and roles. So assign clear roles to each participant to streamline the process. So common roles include a facilitator to guide the team, a decision maker to resolve conflicts, and team members who bring in diverse perspectives. So having defined roles ensures accountability and smooth progress throughout the sprint. So as you can see, effective planning sets the tone for the entire sprint. It helps the team stay focused, aligned, and equipped to generate meaningful solutions. And a well-organized sprint ensures maximum productivity and increases the chances of achieving impactful results. So now before we move further, I have a quick quiz for you guys. So head over to the description box, try to answer the questions and come back. So now as we have seen how to plan a sprint, let's move on to some of the key benefits of design sprint. So number one is team collaboration. So design sprints bring together people from different departments, blending diverse perspectives. This collaboration ensures solutions are innovative, well-rounded, and aligned with business goals while fostering open communication and teamwork. Number two is lower risk. So by testing ideas early with prototypes and user feedback, teams can identify flaws before full-scale development. So this approach reduces costly mistakes and ensures the product meets user expectations from the start. And the third key benefit is speed to market. So design sprints condense months of work into just 5 days, as discussed earlier, providing faster insights and decisions. So this accelerated process allows companies to adapt quickly, iterate efficiently, and stay ahead of competitors. So these benefits make design sprints an invaluable approach for creating impactful, user-centered solutions that can save time, minimize risk, and drive collaboration. So finally, let's get into the design sprint retrospective. So a design sprint retrospective is a session held at the end of a sprint to reflect on the process, celebrate successes, address challenges, and identify ways to improve. So it encourages team members to share feedback on what worked well, what didn't, and what could be done differently next time. So by fostering open discussions in a supportive environment, the team can optimize workflows, enhance collaboration, and ensure smoother sprints in the future. So common frameworks like Start, Stop, Continue, or MAT, SAT, GLAD help structure feedback, leading to actionable takeaways such as refining roles, improving communication, or adjusting tools and resources. So retrospectives ensure continuous learning and growth, helping teams deliver better outcomes in subsequent sprints. So that was it, guys, about the design sprints. Hope you got a clear idea about what a design sprint is, the 5 phases of design sprint, how to plan a design sprint, and the key benefits of it. So if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more such contents. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.